Hello student, this is Rahul Sharma and today's topic is transmission media. Transmission media cover under network component. In this topic we will cover transmission media or network media, interconnection device, computers, networking software and application. Transmission media or network media. Networking media can be defined simply as the mean by which signal are sent from one computer to another. There are two types of transmission media is used for computer networking: wired or wired and wireless. Wireless is also considered as unbounded transmission media, and wired means bounded transmission media. Classes of transmission media. Transmission media divided into two categories. One is guided and other one is unguided. In guided transmission media, we are having twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optical cable. On the other hand, in unguided transmission media, it includes wireless transmission media. Twisted pair cable. It's a standard copper cable. It is quite inexpensive, widely available, and easy to work with. Easy to work with computer network. It is quite slow, and the transmission rate is 10 Mbps. And the second cable is coaxial cable. It is mostly used for home entertainment like television, etc. It is having inner conductor. It is made with copper. After that, insulator, outer conductor shield, and the last is plastic jacket. Fiber optic cable or optical fiber. Fiber optic cable is the newest and fastest of these three type of wire transmission. It uses clear glass or plastic fiber sands. Mostly it is used by government organizations. It uses light pulse for transmission through cable. Unguided media or wireless transmission media. It includes radio waves, microwave and satellite communication and infrared. Radio wave and microwave. It is electromagnetic spectrum for wireless communication. It uses light wave for transmission. The standard transmission rate start from 3 kHz to 900 terahertz band. It include VLF, very low frequency, and its range is 3 to 30 kHz, and the propagation is ground propagation, and application long range radio navigation. Low frequency. The range of this band is 30 to 300 kHz. It is also having ground propagation and used for radio navigation. Medium wave. The range of this band is 300 kHz to 3 megahertz, and it uses sky propagation. It is used for AM radio. It is also a home entertainment channel. High frequency. It used for it is having 3 to 30 megahertz frequency rate, and it uses sky propagation, and its basic application is air traffic control as well as ships navigation system. very high frequency, um, ultra high frequency, and super high frequency and extremely high frequency. These are its basic band and having different range, and this is used for different application. Wireless transmission, it includes radio wave, microwave and infrared. Radio wave. Radio waves are used for multicast communication such as radio and television and paging system. They can penetrate through walls. Radio waves are basically omnidirectional. It uses omnidirectional antennas. Omnidirectional that transmit signal around the antenna. Microwave. Microwaves are used for unicast communications such as cellular telephone or satellite network and wireless LAN also. It is having higher frequency range, use directional antenna, point to point or line of sight communication. These are the antenna for microwave. One is dish antenna and other one is a horn antenna that guide the signals. Satellite communication. Microwave station designed specifically to communication with satellites such as for satellite TV and satellite internet service are typically called satellite dish. Communications satellite are space-based devices launched into orbit around the Earth to receive and transmit microwave signal to and from Earth. These are the fastest medium for transmission. Using satellite system, we are able to transmit. We have removed the geographical barrier or obstacle. These are the antenna used for satellite transmissions. Infrared. Infrared signal can be used for short range communication in a closed area using line of sight propagation. Basically, this is used in building to building transmission where we can install wireless communication network. These are the basic, this is the initial stage of transmission using wireless technology.